Show me what the volleyball players do.
Quack, quack, quack.
And then what? You got it. What's that?
Pink.
What color's the pig?
It's a read it.
You're gonna read it?
And then the bear. Green. The duck. The food. Safe.
Safe. Where's out?
Out.
Out.
It's good too. It's green.
Show me what Ollie does. What is that?
Go.
What kind of straw? What's it got on it?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkins. What color pumpkins?
Oranges.
Orange. That's right.
Green pumpkin. Yes. Safe.
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 Safe.